All right, guys. So I'm back, and remember, we was talking about right before I ended the other video, pretty quickly. We was talking about actionable signals. Actionable signals mean these are candlesticks that tell you when to get into play. And so, like, if you're unsure of like, oh, what do I enter it? I don't know how to when to get into play. This is the actionable signals that you're gonna read from looking at the candlesticks of when to get into play, right? Now we're gonna go back. Let me see, hold on. Click right here. Yes, actual signal. So now we're gonna go to our cheat sheet. Everybody should have the cheat sheet PDF out already, which is right here. So this is our cheat sheet. This right here is actionable signals. And if you look below, remember you got your two up, which is actionable, your two down, which is actionable, and your three, which is the 50% retracement, which is an actionable signal. Right here, we're gonna go do 2-1-2 bullish. So it's gonna tell you if it's an inside day, we didn't play that inside day. We waited to the next day. And our entry would be, let me try to zoom in right quick. There we go. So we're gonna start with this one. So let's say that was a two. We missed that. This was an inside day, so we couldn't play it. Your entry on this day, this is an actionable signal. The reason it's the actionable signal is because this candlestick broke the previous day's high and it became a 2-1-2. So this tells you your entry. This tells you your price target. Now I'm going to run through these really quick, and then I'll show you guys how to actually chart it on a Webull chart at the same time. This is why I had to restart the video because I want you guys to be able to look at this, go and chart it, and then be like, okay, boom, boom, this is an actionable signal. All these time frames right here, this can be used on any time frame. So that means you can go to the 15-minute, the 5-minute, the hourly chart, but I mainly use these on a daily time frame. So you want to enter these on a daily time frame, right? And so each one of these candlesticks represent a day. This is today. This was yesterday. Yesterday was an inside day, so we didn't trade it. Today was a two up, so we traded it. This is the same thing. That's another 2-1-2. This candle right here, two up, broke that previous day candle. Eventually, you start to notice the pattern, right? We're looking at these right here. It broke it, boom. It broke that high, we're going to get in. This right here, remember, when it breaks up, that means bullish. That means calls. That means up. Right here, if it breaks down, which like, let's say it was another one day and it broke down, that's bearish. That means puts. That means it's going to go down, right? This right here, you would get in because it broke the previous day's low. This broke the previous day's low. This broke the previous day's low. So you would get puts. It even tells you where to get your price target at right there. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that on the Webull app. This would be your cheat sheet. All of you guys will have this cheat sheet. And so you better look at it and reflect back on it like, okay, this is where I get in at. This is something I can look at to help me get in and out of plays. These right here, these are 50% retracements. These are 50% retracements. That means this candlestick broke the bottom and then it came back and broke 50% of this candle. So this green one broke the bottom, but came back and broke 50% of that same candle to go up and make it a three. This one right here is opposite. It broke the top, but then it came back down 50% of this candle, and when it broke that 50%, it had to break the bottom, which turned into a three down. That's why this one's red. That's why this was green. And that's why those are entries right there. Now this one right here, you have a two down, but remember, it's pretty easy because now we know like, okay, this is another strap. Why we're gonna get in? Because this is the two up. This is my entry candle. I get in because it broke the previous day's high. It broke, I'm gonna get in. That's my price target right there. But look at this one, I said, oh, snaps. It went up that day, but today it broke the low of that previous day. So I'm gonna get a put. I'm gonna hop in. And eventually you start to see like it's just like a repeating pattern of reversals. You mainly want to play reversals, right? Now you may have days where it's like this. boom, boom, boom. That means it just continued going up. So let's say the first day it did this, the next day it broke up, you could just play another call or play another call. But your stop loss would be, let's say it broke up right here, right? And it came back down and broke 50% of that candle. Then we know we need to be out of that call because it's not going to keep going up. It's going to turn into a three, which is this big red candle, and break the other side. So I need to automatically be out. And so this is, those are the candlesticks right there. Now, what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to make this smaller. We're going to make that one smaller. I'm going to do this right here. I'm going to go to Weeble. This is where it gets fun. This is the fun part. Now, remember, I used to strat on the daily time frames because once it breaks a certain direction in that day, it kind of helps you know the direction for that day. And so you don't have to have a lot to worry about. It can always reverse. That's why we set stop losses. That's why we set alerts to let us know, like, hey, it just hit my stop loss, or hey, it just hit 50% retracement. I need to be out of this play. It's not going how I want to go. Um, so let's go to the daily. So each of these candles represent a day. So for example, right, I want to click on another one. Let's click on Google. So we're going to do, actually, let's do Domino's Pizza, right? Wow, they actually dropped. Wow, I missed that. So just by looking at this chart, yeah, it doesn't have the numbers like TradingView does, but just by looking at this chart, we're on the, I'm gonna go to daily, right? We're gonna go to the daily. So now we're on the 1 day. Why does it keep doing that? 1 day, 1 minute, I guess. Hold on, let me go right here and click on the daily. Wow, there we go. So I don't know what was going on, right? Wow. So now, right off the bat, you can say, hey, we didn't trade Domino's Pizza today because it's an inside day. We didn't trade that because it didn't break the low or the high of the previous day candle. So we just didn't trade that. We just sat on our hands because it didn't really do any movement. Now, this day, we can say, or this great day right here, we can look at it. Let me see if we can zoom in, right? But zoom in and we say, ooh, this is a two up. Why? Because it broke the previous day high. If I get my drawing, so let's say this day hasn't happened yet, right? It hasn't happened. So we don't know what this day is going to be. So you would do that, top and bottom, right? Because we don't know. We don't know if it's going to break the high or the low. We just don't know yet, right? And so now we're looking at this. The moment the market opens and we're looking at it and this candlestick breaks at 498, we're like, you know what? We're going to get a call. Why? Because inside of the strat, if you go back to our strat, right? So remember this, right? So this is today. And let's say this day is now and it broke right here. You can look, or you can like kind of start looking ahead of time to see it because you don't want to like miss out on your entry, because the moment this breaks, this 498, you need to be in your call. Hop in your call. The moment it breaks, hop in your call. Sometimes you may want to wait, but then I'll better give you advice on like if you should wait or not. So if you look right here, this is what it is. It's this right here. Or you could say it's this one. It's the same thing. It broke up, right? So if we go back to it, we're looking like, oh, this is it. And then if you see, it went from 498 to 508. You would have made your money. It literally went up $10 after your entry. Now, the next day, right? So let's say you took your money, you're excited, you're glad. The next day come around, you say, I like Domino's Pizza, right? I like how it moved. So then you would put one at the low, and then you would take your same thing and you would put it at the high because we don't know what it's going to do. We made money yesterday, so let's say the next day come. The next day come, and guess what? It broke the low, which is another directional candle. So now we hopped in at 494 and it drops to 482. If we go back to our cheat sheet, that's this one right here. Actually, where is it? It's a 2 up, 2 down. So it's this one. It's this one right here. Well, it's a 1, 2, 2. If you go back, that's a 1, or that's a 2, 2 up, 2 down. So that is actually, which one is it? I don't see it. I don't see it. But we're gonna just say it's this one right here. We're gonna just go with this one because it still broke the low. It still broke the low. And we saw that was a 2 up, that's a 2 down. You can look at this and be like, okay, this day was a 2 up, this day was a 2 down. I made money. Now the next day when market opened and you saw that, you was like, I can't play it. I made money the last 2 days off of it, but today it didn't give me a direction. So I didn't play it. And that's a directional candle. Now this is Webull. Now let me show you the advantage of trading view compared to Webull. If I go to trading view, it has my time frames at the top. And remember, we want to enter the strat on a daily time frame. The D stands for daily, right? And so we go right here and we can go to indicators and we can type in the strat. The strat, see, they got the strat tools, the strat numbers and combos. It can literally help you on the strat and it'll tell you like, okay, this is a 2 up, right? And so the one you currently see right here is called the candle type, the strat. So now you don't have to try to look at the candlesticks and memorize is if it's a 2 up or 2 down. You just kind of know. You just see it. So like right here, it's a 2, 1. See, this is a 2, and this was a 1. So we didn't trade that day. But this day, it broke the high. Now the reason I'm showing you this one because you can see it didn't go up that much, right? But it still came up and it broke at 312. It just went to 314. You would have made 20% profits. You still could have took your money and you could have been good. And so that, if I go back to our thing, that is actionable signals. This is video 4. Now it's time to go to video 5 so I can show you guys even